I'm Cameron, and I'm 13 years old, and some of the things I like about Go Foods is it's really easy to make when you come home from school and you're really hungry, and it doesn't take time away from when you want to hang out with your friends, so you can just make it fast and then go hang out, and it holds you over until dinner. And if your parents work, you can just make the food on your own because it doesn't take that much, and the directions are really easy to read, so even littler kids can make the food until their parents come home. And another thing I like is if my parents get off work at like 5, they can make the food, and we can all sit down at a dinner and socialize about anything, because we don't sit down as a family as much because we're always out running around or having TV dinners and bringing stuff up to our room. And then in the mornings, when you're on your way to school and you need to hurry because you woke up late, it's really easy to make food so you're not hungry all day and still get ready, because it doesn't take a long time at all. And those are some of the reasons why I like Go Foods.